Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am with the new topic, differentiation, applied maths, class 11th. So this is the first topic of the chapter, differentiation, first principle. So the first principle uh, have introduced or means the formulas which are used in the differentiation, or some principles used in the differentiation are originated from the first principle itself. So first principle is very important topic. So let's understand this. It says that f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. So this is the first principle formula, and from this only each formula or every formula is originated from this formula. Now solve x square using the first principle. So f of x is equal to x square and f of x plus h is equal to x plus h square. So what we have to do, we have to just put the value of x means x plus h in the place of x. Now how we would be start the sum is that we need to write the formula f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. The limit h tends to 0, we will be putting the values. What is the value of f of x plus h? That is x plus h square. And what is the value of f of x? That is x square. So minus x square and h. We cannot put 0 in the denominator as it would be not defined. Here it shows that we have to put 0, but we cannot put 0 in the denominator as it would not be not defined. So how would be solving? We would be solving by splitting this x plus h square, and you already know how to split. X square plus 2x h plus h square minus x square. So x square minus x square would be cut. Now we will be taking h common, and we will be cut means h will be cut from here. Now what is the value left? That is 2x plus h, and here h we so here we have to put 0 in the place of h. So 2x plus 0 is equal to 2x. So the answer is 2x. So by this way we have to solve the sum using first principle. So this is the first exercise of ML Agrawal textbook, applied maths class 11th. Now this is the question number 3, and the first sub part. Here f of x is given as 3x minus 5. So we have to solve this by using the first principle. Now we have to write the f of x and f of x plus h. So what is the value of f of x? That is 3x minus 5, and f of x plus h, that is 3x plus h minus 5. So we just have to in f of x plus h, we just have to put the value of x plus h in the place of x. Now we will write the first principle formula, that is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Now limit h tends to 0, we will be put in the values here that we have written over here. f of x plus h is 3x plus h minus 5. So we have put the value of this. Now f of x क्या है हमारा? 3x minus 5. So हमने ये वैल्यू पुट इन कर दी, and upon h. Now limit h tends to 0. Now we will be solving it. 3x plus h minus 5 and minus 3x plus h, we will be opening the bracket, and here minus 5 and plus 5 would be cut upon h. Now limit h tends to 0, 3. Now this will also cut 3x and minus 3x. So in the end 3h upon h will be left, and h would be cancelled out, and our 3 is our answer. I hope you have got it. We have to solve by using the first principle. Now this is the second subpart of exercise 11.1 of ML Agrawal, question number 3. Now we have given x minus 3 the whole square and we have to solve it by using the first principle. Now f of x, we will be taking x minus 3 whole square, and f of x plus h is x plus h minus 3 whole square. And I know and I hope that you have got it, that how we have taken the value of f of x plus h. We have just simply put this x plus h in the place of x. That's it. Now we will be writing the first principle. F of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. So this is the first principle and it's very necessary to write in the examination. It's very important. Now limit h tends to 0, we have to just put in the values that we have taken, f of x plus h and minus f of x. We will be taking a and this will be taking as b. So we already know that a minus b whole square, a minus b and a plus b, we already know this property and we have to apply this property for solving this bracket. So by opening the bracket we got, and by using that property a minus b and a plus b, so x plus h minus 3 plus x minus 3 bracket close. Now we will be solving this x plus h minus 3 minus x minus 3 bracket close. So here x, positive x and negative x will be cut, negative 3 and positive 3 would be cut, and after this we would be getting 2x plus h minus 6 multiplied by h, and here h and h would be cancelled out. So now after doing this, we will be getting x plus h minus 6, and in the value of h, in the place of h, we would be placing the h tends to 0, that is value 0. We will be putting the value 0, and our answer is 2x minus 6. So this is the third subpart, x cube, and we need to solve using the first principle. So f of x is equal to x cube and f of x plus h is equal to x plus h cube. Now we have to write the formula and then limit h tends to 0 x plus h whole cube minus x cube upon h. Now we need to solve this bracket. How would be solving this bracket, which we have already learned in 10th class, that is a plus b whole cube. We have this property a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So this is the property from, or this is the identity from which we can get, or which we can solve this bracket. So by solving this bracket, x and x would be cancelled out, and here h and h would be cancelled out, and then we will be putting 0 in place of h, and then we have got the answer x 3x square. So this is the right answer. This is the question number 3, fourth subpart, where we have to solve this by using the first principle. Now f of x is equal to minus x power में minus 1, f of x plus h, you know how to write. Now the first principle formula, f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Now we have to solve the sum. Now by putting the value of f of x plus h, we have minus x plus h power minus 1 and minus the value of f of x, that is minus x power में minus 1 upon h. Now we would be ignore this step. We would be doing this step. We would taking h common here, and we would be cancelling out h, and what is left over we have to take common in this, and the answer is 1 upon x square. I hope you got it. So this is the fifth question. It is 3 upon x square. We have to solve this by using the first principle. So we will be taking f of x 3 upon x square, f of x plus h, that is 3 upon x plus h whole square. Now by applying this formula, limit f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, we would be we will put the values of f of x plus h and f of x in this, and now we would be cross multiplying this. That would be become by multiplying x square into 3, and by multiplying 3 and x plus h whole square, and taking the x plus h whole square and x square as LCM. So 3x square minus 3x plus h whole square upon में we have took the LCM x plus h whole square bracket में x square upon h. Now this would come here by the rule, and 3x square minus 3x plus h whole square upon में we would be writing h x square bracket में x plus h whole square. Now we would be opening this bracket x plus h whole square, 3x square minus 3 x square plus 2hx plus h square upon hx square bracket में x plus h whole square. Now limit h tends to 0, ये x कट हो रहा है. If we multiply, if we open the bracket, and these will be cancel out, and हमने यहाँ पे h को common लिया, we have taken h as a common, and we have also cancel out h also. Now what is left is minus 6x upon x square, and in the place of h we will be putting the value of h tends to 0, that is 0. In the place of we would place 0 value. X and x would be cancel out. Now what is left? Minus 6 upon x square, and the answer would be minus 6x cube. So this is the question number 3 sub part 6, x plus 1 upon x minus 1. We have to solve this by using the first principle. So f of x is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. F of x plus h is equal to x plus 1 x plus h plus 1 upon x plus h minus 1. Now we would be placing the values, and we have to cross multiply it, and by taking the LCM, and as you can see we have taken the LCM. Now this would be multiplied by h by the rule, and these would be multiplied. As you can see, these will be multiplied. Now we have to open the brackets, and we have to do what is cancelling out here. X square minus x square minus x and minus plus x would be cancelled, hx would be cancel out because minus plus minus हो जाएगा तो cancel out हो जाएगा. Now what the value would be left is that minus 2h, hh would be cancelled, minus 2 would be left. Now we have to put 0 in the place of h, तो आ जाएगा minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole square. So this is our answer. So this is the 7th sub part, x plus 1 upon x. We have to solve this by using the first principle. So हम इसे ऐसे कर सकते हैं. We need to do in this form, x square plus 1 upon x. Now this will be more easier than this. So f of x is equal to x square plus 1 upon x. F of x plus h is equal to x plus h whole square plus 1 upon x plus h. We have to input the values of x. Now the next step is we have to input the values. So we have already input the values. Now we would be cross multiplying it and taking the LCM, x plus h and x का हम LCM लेंगे इस तरह से. Now the next step is we will be, हम इसे नीचे भेज देंगे by the rule, and we would be opening the bracket so that this would be x square plus 2x h plus h square plus 1 minus x plus h x square plus 1. Now we would be multiplying this from x square to x, 2x h to x, and now by multiplying these brackets we got 3 cube plus 2x square h plus h square h square x plus x minus x cube plus hx square plus h divided by x plus h. Now cancelling the terms, so x cube minus x cube. Now these terms would be cancelled out. So what is left over is hx square plus h square x minus h. So in the next step we would be taking h as common. Now cancelling out h. Now after we would be put the value 0 in the place of h, that is x square plus 0 minus 1 upon x square. So the in calculate total answer is x square minus 1 upon x square. This is the answer.